Today we're enjoying the sun and keeping our devices charged on the go with our cool new solar power bank. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual, your USB-C charging cable, and of course, your 36,800 mAh solar charging power bank. This power bank is pretty cool. It has a shock-proof and grippy design, and it's even dust-proof and Ipx65 waterproof, keeping your power bank safe from the elements. Then, if you flip back your protective cover, you'll find your USB-C and USB ports. Just plug in your device and the power bank begins charging. And if you're outside in the sun, your device begins charging. It can even charge 2 devices at once. On the side, it has a carabiner clip to make sure that you don't lose your power bank. And that's not all. This power bank also has dual flashlights for maximum coverage. You can press and hold the button to turn on the LED flashlight. And if you press the button quickly, it'll begin flashing between different lights. Then if you press it quickly one more time, it'll enable strobe mode or SOS mode. I took this on a hike and clipped it to my bag. Even in the shade of the trees, there was enough sun leaking through to charge my power bank. I expected it to stop charging once I went in the woods, but if there was any sun leaking through, it would recognize it and it would turn green to indicate that it was charging from the sun. I work around the farm quite a bit, and I'm constantly working on our hiking trails. I can't tell you how many times my phone has died filming something, or just listening to music far away from the house. Now I can have a mobile power bank that's able to be charged in the sun. I can charge my devices and charge my power bank when I'm done, making sure I never run out of power. I even rigged it to my tripod so I have backup power nearby. It's able to get some extra juice from the sun and give my devices power when I need it. Now, although the solar charging feature is awesome, it takes about 8 days to fully charge the device from dead, so you'll want to charge it from the wall in most situations. What this solar panel power bank is good for is it gives you options when you're away from home, and it allows you to be prepared in those emergency situations. For instance, you can charge this device and take it with you on a hike. The sun will help keep it charged, and the power bank will keep your devices going strong. You could take it with you camping or on other long trips where you might not have charging access. This is one of those things that anyone can benefit from, even if it's just to put in your emergency kit. So whether you like going on hikes like me and need to keep your devices charged, looking for that perfect gift for someone, or just wanting to upgrade your emergency kit, this power bank might just be perfect for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go get a tan and charge my devices. See ya!